Traveling Through Time, created by Noah, Rudy, Victoria, and Alice. Russia sends the first dogs into space on July 22, 1951. Dogs traveled on R-1 rockets while wearing pressure suits with acrylic glass bubble helmets. Sputnik 1 was launched on October 4, 1957. Sputnik 2 was the second spacecraft launched into Earth's orbit on November 3, 1957. Explorer 1 was the first satellite launched by the United States on January 31, 1958. Luna 1 was the first spacecraft to reach the vicinity of the Earth's moon, but it missed its target. Explorer 6 was an American satellite launched on August 7, 1959. Sputnik 5 was the first space flight to send animals into orbit and return them back safely. The MR2 flight with Ham the Chimp was a success due to adjusting its acceleration. Vostok 1 made a single orbit around Earth. The mission was controlled by an automatic system and ground control. After much planning and testing, Freedom 7 was the first U.S. crew spaceflight. The Luna 9 used a landing bag to survive the impact speed, making it the first craft to soft land on the moon. Apollo 8 was the first crewed spacecraft to reach the moon. On July 20, 1969, Apollo 11 was launched and put the first man on the moon. Many advances were made and the first space station was launched in 1971. The Pioneer 10's shape and propellant to control orientation helped it escape the solar system. The Mariner 10 was launched as a planetary exploration craft. Its design helped gather information. The Viking program was space probes designed to orbit and land on Mars to study its surface. The Challenger was a space shuttle that was a partially reusable low-Earth orbital spacecraft. This launch was known for the first untethered spacewalk. The 25th flight on the Challenger exploded after liftoff due to a failure in a mechanical gasket. The Voyager 1 space probe was launched to study the solar system and still collects data. The Hubble telescope is one of NASA's greatest observatories. Its design has helped make it the most useful telescope in space. Galileo was a craft launched to study and send images of Jupiter's moons and other solar system bodies. The Pathfinder was developed with airbags and all-terrain tires to land on and navigate Mars' surface. The first multinational space station developed by a collaboration of countries for long stays in outer space. Philly is the first lander to make a soft land on a comet. It was developed to detach from the Rosetta and navigate the comet. Astronauts launched on March 27, 2015 and returned to Earth on March 1, 2016. It is the longest stay at the International Space Station to date.